Give your fucking heart love. Give me a big kiss. Yeah.
Mic, please. What's up, Wally?
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
All right, guys. I can't do chin diapers, okay? No chin diapers. Baja 1000. We're all getting signed up. We're gonna go race here shortly. This is Jordan. She's the driver. She's the official driver. I'm not a real driver. I'm a concierge. I'm gonna get her from A to B. And we're gonna have a great time. We're really excited for this.
I'm not official anything.
He just owns the team.
I just had to drive it here.
Did you write the paycheck?
That's it. I just got to write the checks and get the car here. We're in Baja. We're gonna race the Baja 1000. It's my first time, and I'm excited because I get to drive. This is gonna be epic. I'm jumping in at mile 350 and getting out about 600. Zero pre-running. That's basically zero prep for a race like this, but we're going for a finish. First place that's for the guys that are trying to break their truck on the way out there. We need to make it to the end because that's the goal. I'm excited because KP Racing offered me a driver's seat, and I'm gonna do the best that I can. Drive it like a boss. Start line right now, and this is like a little parade thing they got to do to get through town because they're not actually racing through town. So they all line up, they kind of have this, like, I don't know, 10-mile parade, and then the actual race starts about an hour from now. They're just trying to line everybody up, get them where they're supposed to be. So I gotta ask, this takes a lot of balls to drive this thing on this course.
Oh yeah.
Good for you.
Thank you, thank you.
I don't even know how you fit in that seat with those things.
It's exhausting.
Good time, call this dude. He knows what's up. I think we're pretty close to them now. We don't know. They sent us a drop pin. We don't really have the first couple miles of the race course, first 30 miles of the race course on our GPS and our phones right now. So it's all on the Canon if we needed it. But yeah, a little frustrating. We are starting the day off rough, to say the least.
We will prevail.
We'll prevail for Jeff.
Tire in the back rear looks like it's going flat.
10-4.
We got a flat on the chase truck on our way to pick up the car to work on it and help them get the parts they need.
Insult to injury.
Ugh. Can you just dig that knife in a little deeper? Still got, 1,250 miles to go, not 1,270. Quick little race update. It's about 5:22 p.m. We are moving again. Everything's good. Car's at about mile 110 after its first pit. and it's moving right along. As far as we can see, we ran out of service. We can't really check in much more right now, but we're driving down to race mile 155, catch the car. Really didn't have too much time. We got here probably about 20 minutes before they got here. Gave BFG our fuel. They're gonna go ahead and fuel here in a minute, and we're excited. They're coming through. The car's still running. We still got a chance to finish this thing on time.
Well, you just took 10 miles. Are you guys okay? No.
Race mile 155. Their thing was underpowered.
So did they already switch this out?
Maybe.
Okay.
Oh, they did. They did.
That's
They
why the
did
bolts
switch
are
it.
loose.
Yes.
We
Thank
need to
you.
tighten it up? Nope.
Okay, when you watch the rewind video, just ignore all my comments, all right?
Well, it stops following you in the course.
So here at BFG pit, the car's good. Still moving. Still going. Got the bad lines, good times. Because, yeah.
There's something wrong with the GPS. After a while, it stops following you, and the course goes way off. It keeps saying no GPS fix.
Because this antenna need a power. You don't got the power, this is gonna work.
No.
With the internal antenna from the GPS. So it's easy.
I have to take the hood off.
We gotta go!
Leave it like that?
Yeah,
Okay, down.
Good luck.
No,
I can tell you see on the path, but just me there.
Go there, turn around, and
I'm just gonna dump the clutch and see what it does. Rip to the tip. Well, we did it. We finished our section, and it's time to pass off the buck to the owner of the car, and then Warren's gonna drive it, and then we're all gonna have fun because we're gonna hit the finish line definitely like 5 minutes before the cutoff, but we're going for the finish. And so far, this thing is a freaking trooper. This thing boogies. We had a crazy fast section. I'm sure you'll see it in all everyone else's videos if you watch racing videos, but it was like 70 miles an hour and 50 miles an hour pretty much for 500 miles or 100 miles, from 500 to 600. It was fast. It was fun. I did my due diligence. I really want to thank Alicio from Nora. He gave us all the notes and literally could not have driven the car like we did without him, and now it's pretty epic. So if you guys ever need notes, hit up Lead Nav. That's literally the same note system that we were basically using, and we hadn't done a lick of pre-running, and we did our job. It was awesome. I'm really tired. We haven't slept since yesterday. What? Well, we DNF'd. Not the outcome we were looking for. Car just had too many issues. We just didn't have enough time. We'd have to average 50 miles an hour at the end to finish. So we had to call it right here. We're at like mile 640, just off the access road. And that's where we slept. Me right there. So we slept here for a minute. Madison right there. People in there. Smart people who actually brought things to sleep on slept on the trailer. That's Warren. I didn't have anything. My neck's pretty sure it's broken. It hurts. Madison, how was your sleeping situation?
Absolutely terrible with you trying to steal my blanket in my little corner.
I didn't realize somebody was in there, and I was just like, ew, blanket. And Madison's like, don't touch me.
With the seat all the way into my knees, and I have nowhere to move.
She was basically, she felt like a prisoner in here. She was like locked in behind the seat.
It's all good. It's all part of Baja.
This is Baja. Racing's the best. Yay.
Ready to drive 10 hours. Just Ensenada. Another 16 home for me.
They live in like San Francisco. That's far. We're at least 12 hours from the border. At least. Anyways. That was fun. Till next time.